Let's sing the letters A to Z with sounds and words for you and me. Say the sound, shout the name. Let's all join the learning game. A is for apple, a apple, a apple. B is for ball, B ball, B ball. C is for candy, candy. Candy is for diamond, diamond. E is for elephant, elephant, elephant. F is for fairy, fairy, fairy. G is for glasses, glasses, glasses. H is for hand, hand, hand. I is for igloo, igloo, igloo. J is for jelly, jelly, jelly. K is for keyboard, keyboard, keyboard. L is for ladybug, a ladybug, a ladybug. M is for monkey, monkey, monkey. N is for needle, a needle, a needle. O is for orange, orange, orange. P is for pony, pony, pony. Q is for queen, queen, queen. R is for rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. S is for spider, spider, spider. T is for tiger, tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin, violin. W is for whale, 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 whale. X is for xylophone, xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, zebra, zebra. Now we've sung the ABC with sounds and words from you and me. Great job, friends! Give a cheer! Learning letters loud and clear. Yay! A is for apple, A is for ant, B is for rat, a little star. B is for ball, B is for bat, C is for cat, C is for car. D is for dog, E is for drum, E is for elephant, elephants. E is for egg, E egg yolk. F is for fish, fish, blue. F is for frog, frog, frog. G is for goat, goat, goat. H is for hat, hatch, a for rat. H is for hen, hen, nope. I is for igloo, igloo, igloo. I is for ink, ink, inkoop. J is for jam, J is for jump. K is for kite, kite, kite. K is for king, king, king. L is for lion, lion, a leaf. L is for leaf, leaf, for monkey. M is for moon, moon, moon. N is for nest, nest, a nester. N is for nose, nose, nose. O is for orange, orange, oh orange. O is for old, old, oh old. P is for pig, pig, pizza. P is for pizza, pizza. I. Q is for queen, queen, queen. Q is for quack, quack, quack. R is for rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. R is for rainbow, rainbow, rainbow. S is for sun, sun, sun. S is for snake, snake, snake. T is for tiger, 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 T is for train, train, train. U is for umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. U is for up, up. V is for violin, violin, violin. V is for van, van, van. W is for water, water, water. W is for whale, whale, whale. X is for x-ray, x-ray, x-ray. X is for xylophone, xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo, yo-yo. Y is for yellow, yellow, yellow. Z
Z is for zebra, zebra, zebra. Z is for zip, zip.
Now we know our ABCs. Sing again and learn with me.
A is for apple, sweet and healthy. B is for banana, peel and eat it gladly. C is for carrot, crunchy, bright and fun. D is for donut, a treat for everyone. Sing along, let's learn today. Fun with food in every way. A to Z, come sing with me. The alphabet so easy. E is for egg, a breakfast treat so yummy. F is for fish, good for a healthy tummy. G is for grapes, purple, green or red. H is for honey, drizzle it on bread. Pass it all almonds night today. Rumple's praying after red. A to C, come sue with me. The alphabet so easy. I is for ice cream, cold and oh so nice. J is for jam, made from fruit and spice. K is for kiwi, fuzzy skin outside. L is for lemon, sour taste so why. Oh, sing along, we're friends today. One that's pairing have your way. Baby, see house in the breed. We all gonna net so easy. M is for mango, juicy, soft and sweet. N is for nuts, a crunchy, healthy treat. O is for orange, peel and squeeze for juice. P is for pizza, cheesy and so loose. House in a lumber's friend today. One's a really like away. A to C, come sim with beauty of like F so easy. U is for quiche, a pie so soft and fluffy. R is for raspberry, juicy, red and yummy. S is for strawberry, red and super tasty. T is for tomato, juicy, red, not pasty. U is for upside down cake, sweet and full of delight. V is for vanilla, flavor soft and light. W is for watermelon, juicy, pink and sweet. X is for shigwa, a fruit that's cool to eat. Seed along, let's learn today of the cruelly at the ray. A to C, to the queedy alphabet shall each weeds. Y is for yogurt, creamy, smooth and yummy. Z is for zucchini, green and good for tummy. Now we know our ABCs with yummy foods from A to Z. Sing along, let's learn today. Fun with food in every way. A to Z, we sang with glee. Now we know our ABCs.
Alphabet Phonics Song for kids.
A is for apple, red and round. A is for apple, red and round. B is for ball, bouncing on the ground. B is for ball, bouncing on the ground. C is for cat, who says meow meow. C is for cat, who says meow meow. D is for dog, barking now wow wow. D is for dog, barking now wow wow. Sing the letters, sing along. Sing the letters, sing along. Sing the letters, sing along. Learning is fun with this phonics song. Learning is fun with this phonics song. E is for elephant, big and gray. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for giraffe, so tall and grand. G is for giraffe, so tall and grand. H is for hat, on your head it stands. H is for hat, on your head it stands. Sing the letters, sing along. Sing the letters, sing along. Sing the letters, sing along. Learning is fun with this phonics song. Learning is fun with this phonics song. Learning is fun with this phonics song. Excited, cheerful voice screams sweet and cold. I is for ice cream, sweet and cold. J is for jelly, wobbly to hold. J is for jelly, wobbly to hold. K is for kite flying up so high. K is for kite flying up so high. L is for lion roaring in the sky. L is for lion roaring in the sky. Sing the letters, sing along. Sing the letters, sing along. Sing the letters, sing along. Learning is fun with this phonics song. Learning is fun with this phonics song. Learning is fun with this phonics song. M is for monkey swinging on the tree. M is for monkey swinging on a tree. N is for nest where birds like to be. N is for nest where birds like to be. O is for orange, juicy and bright. O is for orange, juicy and bright. P is for pencil, for writing just right. P is for pencil, for writing just right. Sing the letters, sing along. Sing the letters, sing along. Sing the letters, sing along. Learning is fun with this phonics song. Learning is fun with this phonics song. Learning is fun with this phonics song. Excited tone, lots of energy. Q is for queen with the crown on her head. Q is for queen with the crown on her head. R is for rabbit, hopping ahead. R is for rabbit, hopping ahead. S is for sun shining all around. S is for sun shining all around. T is for train making a choo-choo sound. Sing the letters, sing along. Sing the letters, sing along. Sing the letters, sing along. Learning is fun with this phonics song. Learning is fun with this phonics song. Learning is fun with this phonics song. U is for umbrella, for rainy days. U is for umbrella, for rainy days. V is for violin that softly plays. V is for violin that softly plays. W is for whale swimming in the sea. W is for whale swimming in the sea. Sing.
X is for play a sweet sound. X is for play a sweet sound. Hit the keys, ding ding dong. Music plays the whole day long. Y is for yacht, it sails on the sea. Y is for yacht, it sails on the sea. Floating fast, the waves go by. Z is for zebra, with stripes black and white. Z is for zebra, with stripes black and white. Running fast across the land. Z we've learned today. Sing along and shout hooray. Phonics fun, let's do it again. Clap your hands and tell a friend.
A is for alligator, what does he say? Snap, 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 alligator plays. B is for bear, big and strong. Growl, 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 all day long. C is for cow, on the farm. Moo, 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 with lots of charm. D is for duck, swimming so free. Quack, 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 come sing with me. E is for elephant, stomping around. Stomp, 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 big and loud. Let's sing along, dance and play. Learning sounds the animal way. A, B, C, D, E, sing the alphabet with me. F is for frog, jumping so high. Ribbit, 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 reaching the sky. G is for giraffe, stretching tall. Munch, 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 leaves for all. H is for horse, galloping fast. Neigh, 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 having a blast. I is for iguana, sunning so bright. Hiss, 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 feeling just right. J is for jellyfish, floating so slow. Swish, 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 watch it go. Let's sing along, dance and play. Learning sounds the animal way. A, B, C, D, E,
L is for lion, the king of the land. Roar, 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 so big and grand. M is for monkey, swinging up high. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah, climbing the sky. N is for newt, crawling so low. Slither, 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 here we go. O is for owl, awake at night. Hoot, 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 what a sight.
Let's sing along, dance and play, learning sounds the animal way. A, B, C, D, E, sing the alphabet with me. P is for panda, rolling around. Munch, 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 bamboo is found.
Q is for quail, flapping so neat.
Whistle, whistle, whistle.
Tiny and sweet.
R is for rabbit, hopping so fast. Hop, 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 having a blast.
S is for snake, slithering thin.
Hiss, hiss, hiss.
With a little grin. T is for tiger, fierce and bold. Grr, 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 strong and gold.
Let's sing along, dance and play, learning sounds the animal way. A to Z, you did it right. Now let's sing again tonight. U is for urchin, spiky and small. Poke, 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 rolling a ball.
V is for vulture, soaring so high.
Flap, flap, flap,
Up in the sky.
U is for whale, deep in the sea. Whoosh, 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 singing with me.
X is for X-ray fish, see-through and cool.
Glub, glub, glub,
Swimming in the pool. Y is for yak, fluffy and wide. Snort, 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 a bumpy ride.
Z is for zebra,
Black and white,
adding in sight, running in sight.
clap along these C's, now you know. Animals make sounds wherever they go. Sing it again, don't be shy, let's give it one more try.